Okay, my camera like went all psycho on me, so I'm going to restart problem number 12. 7/8 of the crops were ready for harvest season. If there were 96 crops, how many were ready for harvest? So I'm going to use my proportions, okay? So 7/8 is your first ratio. Now what defines a 7/8? Well, probably the part that's underlined. They were ready for harvest, so ready, and total. Okay, that's what a fraction is, part of a total. Ready, total. Now I got a simple question. Does it say 96 crops were ready? No, it doesn't. So I don't put it here, it goes here, X on top. Okay, so I take 7 times 96 and I get 672. I divide that by 8 and it's 84. So X equals 84 ready crops. Okay, then on the back side we got everybody's favorite here. 2 airplanes travel for the same amount of time. The first plane flies at an average speed of 625 miles per hour. The second plane flies at an average speed of 700 miles per hour. If our faster plane travels 400 miles further, what distance did each plane travel? Miles. That's the end goal. Okay. So what 2 units do I have underlined? I have hours and I have miles. So that needs to be X, and that needs to be Y. Okay. So per miles per hour. Okay. I actually have a couple of those. I have the 625 and 700. So 625, 700. Now, is drawing 2 lines a smart idea? No, because we have DVs, so NO, not today, okay? So, I need to make ratios, okay? Now, is putting miles, hours going to work? Do you have enough info to do that? No. See how it says same amount of time. So the times are equal. That means the distance divided by the speeds have to be equal. Well, guess what? We know the speeds. We know we had 625 and 700. I don't know the distances. Those are my 2 answers, so those are both X's. But we do know that this faster one, this one here, not that one, this one, the one with the 700, that he went 400 miles further. So I can add a 400, and now what I can do is use the ABCD method. So that's A, that's B, that's C, that's D, okay? Okay, so A is just X, okay? B is 700. C is X plus 400, so X plus 400. Try to squeeze that in there, okay? And then D is 625. Okay, you got to go diagonal. So I drop my equals. I cover my X's. Okay, and there are no minuses. I just multiply one thing over there. That's going to be 700x. And over here I multiply. I can't add those, so I need to distribute the 625 to both of them. So that's going to be 625x. Then I take 625 times 400. And that gives me 250,000. Okay, so I box my x's. They're on opposite sides, so let's get rid of the 625x. So I have 75 times x over on that side equals 250,000. So we just divide by 75, and that's going to be my answer. Okay. So 250,000 divided by 75, 3,333. I got 0.3 repeating, but we're just going to round it. I don't want a decimal, so 3,333. Okay, you know the other one went 400 more. Okay, so with that, I need to add 400 onto that. That's going to be 3,733. Okay, so it's a little bit complicated. The times are the same, so distance over speed. Then it's the ABCD method. It's kind of the same thing you're doing in the second one.